Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to decrease mesh stitch. I'm going to show you how to decrease one mesh square, which are 2 stitches decreased, and 2 mesh squares, which are 4 stitches decreased. I use this a lot in my designs, so I hope you will find this helpful, and let's get into it. So first I'm going to show you how to decrease one mesh square at the start or the beginning of the row and then at the end of the row. So let's get into the start of the row. You will first chain 3. It's very simple. Chain 3, turn your work, and then just double crochet into the next double crochet. So skip one stitch and double crochet into the next stitch. So let's do that. Yarn over and make double crochet into the next double crochet. And this double crochet is your last stitch of the next row. So this chain 3 doesn't count as stitch and you won't crochet into this. I will just continue with the mesh for a couple of stitches and then I will show you how it looks. Okay, so this is the first mesh stitch decreased. So there is a triangle here and you will end next row here. So now I'm going to show you how to do this at the end of the row. So let me get to that. Now I am at the end of the row and I have 2 squares remaining. So I want to decrease just 1 square. So I will chain 1. And now you could double crochet and then triple crochet, but that would make 2 stitches and we don't want that. So I will double crochet, skip a stitch and then triple crochet together. So let's start with double crochet, yarn over and make a start of double crochet in the first stitch. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops, but don't finish the double crochet stitch. And now we will do triple crochet into the next stitch. So we will skip 1 stitch and triple crochet into this next stitch. So yarn over twice, skip 1 stitch and triple crochet into the next stitch. It actually sometimes looks better if you skip 2 stitches and triple crochet into this stitch, because this triple crochet can move a bit to the right. But now I will skip 1 stitch and triple crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops once and then again. Okay, and this is how it looks. And now just yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Okay, and this is how the triangle looks, and there is just 1 stitch at the end of the row. So let's again do the start of the row. So you will chain 3, turn your work and skip this stitch and double crochet into the next double crochet. So this is how the 2 triangles look. And I will again show you at the end of the row once more. And we are at the end of the row again, so I have 2 squares left and 1 triangle. I already chained 1, so now we will again do the double crochet, skip, triple crochet together. So let's skip a stitch and start a double crochet into the next double crochet. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And now we will start a triple crochet into this stitch. So skip one stitch and start triple crochet into the last stitch of the row. And pull through 2 loops twice. And now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Okay, and this is how the 2 triangles look. So this is the chain 3 and this is the double crochet, skip, triple crochet together. And now I will show you how to decrease 2 mesh squares. So at the beginning of the row you will chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you will skip 2 squares. So 1, 2, 3 stitches and double crochet into the next stitch. And this will give you this big triangle. And this is how you decrease 2 mesh squares. You can also chain only 4 if your tension is different. And now I'm going to show you how to decrease 2 mesh squares at the end of the row. So let me get to that. So now I am at the end of the row again. I have 3 mesh squares and 1 triangle remaining. So I will chain 1 and we want to decrease from here to here. So we will start again double crochet into this next double crochet, but we won't finish it. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And now we will double triple crochet into this stitch. So we will skip 1, 2, 3 stitches and double crochet, triple crochet, double triple crochet into this stitch. So that's 3, right? 3 yarn overs and then start the stitch into this last stitch and yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. Okay, and now you have 3 loops on your hook, so yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Okay, and this is how the big triangle looks. So you decreased 2 triangles and you have 1 stitch at the end of the row. Let's do the chain 5 again, and then I will show you again how to do the double, skip 3 stitches, double triple crochet together. So let's chain 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Turn your work and we will skip these 3 stitches and double crochet into this double crochet. Okay, this is how the 2 big triangle and 2 small triangle looks. And now I'm going to show you how to do this again at the end of the row. So let me get to that. Okay, I have 3 squares left and I want to decrease these 2. So I already chained 1 and let's start the double crochet, skip 3, double triple crochet together. So let's start a double crochet into this next double crochet And now let's start double triple crochet into this last stitch. So yarn over 3 times, and pull through 2 loops 3 times, and now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And this is how it looks. It looks really nice, I think. Okay, so this is how you decrease 1 mesh square and 2 mesh squares. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and I will see you next time. Bye!